Hi everyone, it's Makiro. Before I start the video, I want to apologize to all of you in advance because my device is broken so I can make video. I'm real sorry everyone. By the way, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to tell you a practical way to remove the redundant or too long line from the point you specify. Usually this video is easier for people who like to make a manga. And to use this video, we have to use a vector. First, create a layer for line art. And here we have to use a vector layer that has a cube image. And for this feature, you can use whatever pen usually use. And to remove lines that are too long, use a vector eraser. Click Delete Vector and select Restore to Intersection. The middle one, by the way. I will give an example. Turning to a vector eraser and just select the part that are too long. It seems the field is too small. Okay, let's try again with a different pen size. Here I use size 1.5, 3, then F70. Note, the line will be eraser if it comes into contact with another line like this. Okay everyone, enough for now. If you like it, don't forget to like, but if you don't like it, just dislike. And subscribe for more tutorial for me. Comment and below what must I make next. Have a nice day everyone, see ya!